Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. There's so many ways that we can start off. And there's 3 steps that you could take if you're just getting started. First thing you could do is just get started with that first recording. Publish that first video. Press record on that first one. You know, you could start off with your iPhone. You could start off using something as simple as that. You don't have to have a major camera set up, a major studio. Get some lamps. I know when I first started and relaunched my channel, 58 subscribers. I was ashamed because I really didn't have a lot of subscribers. So the first step, just get started. The second step is to commit to that first year. Just tell yourself, for the first year, no matter what happens, I'm going to explode my channel. I'm going to stay committed. I'm going to keep doing what I got to do for that 1 year. No matter what. Got to give a shout out to Infinite Waters, raising the vibration. You probably seen him, Infinite Waters Rap Smart. He said for that first year, you may not have anybody viewing your content. So that's the second thing that you could do. If you're just getting started, commit to that first year. And then the third thing is to study your analytics. I got YouTube right there on the screen. They are one of the tools that you could use to explode your channel. You can get started with them for free. Check out my link in the description, youtube.com/StevonJBiz. Get started for free, but using all of those tools. And so that's 3 steps you could take. Just getting started with that first video. Then you can also commit to that first year. Then analytics, studying and growing along the way. And YouTube has really gotten slick these days. They're gonna make you work a little bit. There's some certain things and certain secrets that they have that they're not telling us about. As a matter of fact, check this video out right here, coming up on the screen, YouTube secrets that they're not telling you about, new features. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So go ahead and check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers, returning viewers. You are the life of the channels. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive. Never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.